They're right over there, and they're very intently watching the buffalo, who are moving right over there. This could be very interesting. That is a huge buffalo.
That's a huge buffalo.
It's a huge buffalo.
Even the lion.
Yeah, they're too young. The one's gone already.
Don't you think there's a little?
I don't know. I think they're a bit young. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, he's looking at getting this.
They're getting ready.
They're crouching.
She's quite big.
Does that mean attack position?
Yeah, it's a attack position.
Where's that female?
I can't see it.
This is amazing. They're running away. Big bull's gonna...
Uh-oh. What's the bull gonna do?
She's gonna eat this.
Oh my God.
Can we grab the baby?
Oh my God.
I'll grab the baby.
She's
Watch.
going for him. She's going for him. She caught him. Oh, she did. She got him.
Hey, he's gone. He's just dropped a buffalo here.
Oh my God.
God, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh my God. Yes.
Unbelievable.
It's always gonna forget.
You didn't have a fight in this ground or anything.
Oh, guys, I'm shaking. Can you believe this? Now the buffalo are coming to help this one now. Watch.
They're too
They'll
late.
come and help this baby. Watch.
They're too late. Can they help him now, Frank?
Yeah, they can.
He's still alive, you think?
Oh, he's still alive.
My goodness.
Russell for Frank.
They're trying to drag him out. They're dragging him out.
Hulle het nou net 'n kleintjie gevang. Hier's lekker action hier so, jong. Hulle het 'n kleintjie hier so in die water en die trop is besig om nader te kom.
It's on its back. I hope they kill it quickly.
Oh, it's so alive.
Ja, positief. Hulle het 'n klein buffeltjie gevang hier so.
There's a crocodile there too.
Ja, daar's 'n krokodil ook. Daar gryp 'n krokodil ook die kleintjie.
The
Yes.
crocodile.
Yeah.
Coming out with
Yeah,
bite.
check through the barn. There's a croc's trying to grab the baby.
Yes. Oh, good gracious.
Look at this. The crocodile's taking the baby away.
Poor little thing.
Oh my God.
They're two crocodiles.
They're gonna lose it.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
they're going to fight over it.
Jeez, I'm shaking.
Oh my God.
Oh, he's coming for huge crocodile. Three.
Oh, look at those doors.
The lions have won.
The lions have won.
Oh, the lions have won.
Yeah, but look at all those buffalo coming.
I'm running out of film.
No, they're gonna come and try and chase the lion, but I think they're too late.
I think you're right. They're way too late now.
They're going to chase him. Come on.
No, they're too late.
You realize it?
Oh, look at the teeth.
Look at them. They're going to chase him.
Teeth, Jay. You're too late.
Check this.
You're too late.
You guys, you cannot believe what's going on here. There's a big party here between lions, crocodiles, and buffaloes.
Look at them all.
Whoa! He swatted at him and kicked at him. He's kicking at him. Look, he's kicking at him.
Look at him run.
Ja, julle ouens, julle moet sien wat hier aangaan, jong. Die buffels is besig om die leeu's te omsingel hierso. En hulle, want die leeu's het 'n klein njatie gevang. En hierdie njaties wil die leeu's nou bykom. Hulle jag die leeu's links en regs.
Ooh, they got him surrounded.
Ja, jy kan maar kom, jong. Hier's
And that one's
Ooh!
we bored him.
Chasing him. Will he go in the water?
You got the lion on him, run.
That little buffalo's still alive.
Brave, look at the fish. The others are doing though. They're going to get them at the other end. Go on.
Yes, can you believe this?
Never seen that before.
I've never seen anything like
The
that.
calf's still alive.
It is?
Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
It is, it's still alive. Oh, is it? Oh, they're putting them into the water. It's standing up. It's standing up. It ran away.
Ja, they've got us back.
They've got it back. They've got him back.
They do have him back.
Ja, hierdie buffels het die leeu's weggevat van daai kleintjie af. En
They're going back. They're cutting the other ones. They're chasing him.
We're still chasing him.
Back in with the herd. And the two lions are going back. That's hard.
This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
I've never seen anything like that.
Look, they're running. Look at them running. There's two left.
Gee, they chased him away.
But they hooked the one, did you see they hooked the one?
Dude, they left the one.
And they got the other one.
Come on, Buffalo, go on.
And there's another one. Oh, the big one.
Run!
The leeu's, that lion's injured, you see that? But you see that buffalo throw that one in the air?
Yes.
Yeah, these others are coming to help as well.
Look, these are some more coming to the...
Yeah, I got him. I got him being thrown in the air.
Njaties het die daai klein njatie se lewe gered en hierdie klomp gonnies weggejag. Ongelooflik.
That's a fight and a half.
That was really something.
Is that one lioness that was lying down there?
buffalo do you reckon there, Brad?
Hey, in this little group there must be more than 100, eh?
Yes.
Look at
I
that
mean,
one
if you just
lion.
take 10.
Yeah.
No, he's coming back. He's fearless, this lion, isn't he?
No, but he's stupid, he's young.
Yeah.
You
Doesn't
better
know when
run,
he's
my
gonna-
son.
Where's the little one?
I've never seen anything like this.
Really? You've never seen anything?
Never seen anything like this. I mean, I've seen it on video and on movies, but how's this?
Well, you can sell that video.
Yeah, probably. Should double.
When buffalo attack.
Yeah.